Hi, I'm Mark Moritz with Human Touch, and I'm here to tell you about one of the newest massage chairs that we've just come out with. This is the Certus massage chair, and the Certus massage chair will provide three-dimensional massage to really help enhance your massage experience. The three-dimensional massage provides vertical, horizontal, and depth to the massage roller mechanisms. It also comes standard with S and L track functionality. The L track basically will start at the base of your neck and come down the spine underneath your glutes into the backs of the thighs. So it'll go all the way from the neck and shoulder areas all the way to the backs of your thighs. The S track actually more closely follows the curvature of the spine. The Certus massage chair also comes with 11 auto massage programs that you can choose from. These massage programs have different choreographies of roller movement, also different intensities depending on what your need is for that type of massage at that given time. You also have some stretch functionality with the chair that really gives a lot of relief to tired and tight muscles. So these stretch features can help bring more relief and provide comfort after a long day. With the Certus comes standard some very easy to use fingertip controls. You have a ZG button that with one touch will take you right into the zero gravity position. For those of you who always wondered what does zero gravity look like in a massage chair but have never seen it, here's what it looks like. Zero gravity is the physician's recommended healthiest way to sit. This is when your feet are above your heart, so it helps force blood back to your heart, improving circulation. When your back is flat, parallel to the ground, this is when the discs in between the vertebrae, the space enhances, you get a little more hydration, a little more blood flow, a little more nutrients. So this will also take the relief off of the spine when you're back in this zero gravity position. You also have a one-touch restore button that will bring you forward. You also have an emergency stop should you need it and you need to get out of your chair immediately. You can also control the incline and recline of your chair for your needs, whether getting in, getting out, or if you want to go back a little closer to ZG, but maybe not quite. You also have a built-in USB port that you can charge your favorite device or plug in your iPad, things that you want to listen to for your music, whether it's Pandora, Spotify, or whatever you choose. Also, allow yourself to be fully immersed into your massage experience with your favorite music, courtesy of the Altec Lansing premium sound system speakers that come standard with the chair. The Certus massage chair has dual lumbar heat, and it also has heat in the calf as well, helping provide relief to those tired and aching muscles. The foot and calf portion of the Certus chair comes with a orbital massage technique that will provide a lot of relief to tired, aching, and sore muscles both in the foot and calf should you have been standing for a long time or having to walk. This technique will really help rejuvenate and give life back into this portion of your leg. You also can extend the feet out, so for the taller or shorter clientele, you've got the ability to customize that functionality to your height. The wall clearance that this chair needs is virtually zero. You can have this practically touching the wall and it will still go through the whole function of the chair without hitting the wall at any time. So for those of you who are in tight or cramped spaces, this chair is a plus for using a less of a footprint in your space. The Certus massage chair comes with 5 color choices that you can pick from. We have Earth, which you're seeing right here, which is the brown. We have Moon, which is cream. We have Slate, which is gray. We have Sky, which is blue. And we have Sun, which is yellow. Thanks for your time, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.